the zodiacs out there, and welcome back to my YouTube channel. So today in this video we are going to do a glowy and dewy makeup look, as you can see. And guys, don't forget to subscribe to my channel Gemini Girl. So for the disclaimer, I'm not a makeup guru and all. I just wanted to share my daily makeup routine with you all guys. Don't expect too many makeup tips from me. You are just going to see a normal basic makeup routine. So I have a dry skin, so I have applied more moisturizer and serum and all that stuff. So if I don't prep my skin very well, foundation gets scattered and it does not give a very good finish. So if you have a dry skin, do moisturize and prep your skin before you apply any makeup. So without any further ado, let's get started. So I first moisturize my skin very well, and that's a lot of steps. Firstly, we'll apply a toner. I have Good Vibes Pomegranate Glow Water. First shake it, then apply it. Now just rub it gently all over your face. Massage your under eyes very well, because you might have dark circles or not, but prep your under skin and eyelids very well so that the eyeshadow can remain for long. So जब आपका toner dry हो जाता है, then you go for next step, which is a face serum. I'm using Good Vibes Rose Hip Radiant Glow Face Serum. Now just massage it all over your face. So my nose is very dry. My driest region of my face is my nose and the inner corners of the nose. तो मैं अपनी nose को सबसे ज़्यादा moisturize करती हूँ so that the foundation stays for long. Don't forget to cover your neck area, because फिर अलग दिखता है आपका face, अलग bright दिखता है, और neck जो आपका original color है, तो आपको neck पे भी सब कुछ करना चाहिए, moisturize as well as makeup. Next step is apply a lip balm. It is from Nykaa and it's a macaroon lip balm in the flavor green apple. So it comes with a very nice packaging of this cute oval bottle. So moisturizing your lips is very important as you moisturize your skin. बिकॉज जब आप मेकअप करोगे तो आपका फाउंडेशन आपके लिप्स पे थोड़ा रह ही जाता है, चाहे आप जितना भी कर लो कि लिप्स पे ना जाए सारा मेकअप, पर वो लिप्स पे जाता है। और मैं भी मेकअप करूँगी तो यू विल सी। सो आपके लिप्स ड्राई ना दिखें और फिर लिपस्टिक आपकी चैप ना हो, इसलिए मॉइस्चराइजिंग योर लिप्स इज़ वेरी इंपॉर्टेंट. So the last step and the very important step of moisturizing your skin is using a moisturizer. I have this moisturizer from Nutriderm. Now just gently rub it all over your face so that your face becomes bouncy. Don't forget your neck. Now we are done with moisturizing and prepping our skin. You can see how glowy and dewy it looks. Let's get to the makeup part. So the first step in makeup is applying primer. I have Lakme Absolute Blur Perfect Makeup Primer. Now just gently rub all over your face. And lastly, don't forget your neck. So we are done with the primer. Now let's go to the next step, which is foundation. So I have Wet n Wild Photo Focus Foundation in the shade Golden Beige. So now I have applied a good amount of foundation on my skin. Now I am going to use a beauty blender, which is a bit dirty, so bear with me. I have dipped it in water and just squeeze all the excess water out of it and just dab it all over your face. drag it like this, just dab it all over your face. Take your full time to dab it, because if you don't dab it, you won't get a matte finish of the foundation you expected. Now you can see my foundation is little bit on my lips too, so that's why I apply moisturizer or lip balm on my lips before doing my makeup. I have too much of baby hairs on my forehead. Foundation just sticks over there. I don't like it. And lastly, don't forget your neck. Please, I'm saying it every time because most of the girls forget their neck, so it looks a bit odd when people see. If you are doing a party function or bold look, you need to apply a good amount of foundation to stay it for long. And apply a little bit on your ears too. So I am done with my foundation. You can see how natural it looks. It is not cakey. In just one layer it gives you a natural look. Because we have prepped our skin so well, the foundation has given such a beautiful finish on your face. So the next step is concealer, and I am using LA Girl Pro Concealer in the shade Creamy Beige. So I don't apply much of concealer on my face because I don't have dark spots. What girls usually do, they apply concealer first to cover their dark spots and then apply foundation. But I apply foundation first because I don't have much of dark circles. So I only apply a little bit of concealer on my T-zone. Go with a beauty blender and dab it all over your face. Even if you take a small amount, it gives you a nice coverage. You can see I've taken such small amount of the concealer and it's giving me such a good coverage. So the leftover concealer and the beauty sponge, I'll apply it on the corners of the lips because it's a bit dark. Now we will just set our foundation concealer with a compact or a loose powder, whatever. I generally use a compact. It is from Fit Me in the shade Natural Beige. So now we are done with setting our face, so it's time for the main thing, the eyeshadow. We are going to give it a subtle look, a very subtle look, normal nude shades and a glitter. I'm using the palette by Makeup Revolution. So we are going to take a fluffy brush just to build the crease. We are going to take a very nude shade, dust the extra part, build the crease. You can see the difference between the two eyes. Now for the glitter part, we'll use this shade. Dust the extra and just apply it on the eyelid part. Now just dust off the glitter under eye or on your face, wherever you can see. Now we'll take a pointed brush like this and the same neutral brown color and do our under eyes. Now we are done with this eye. अब मैं ये वाली eye off camera करके वापस आती हूँ. Now I'm going to apply kind of liner with the same eyeshadow palette. If you want to go for liquid liner, it's totally your choice. Now I have kind of extended that black line onto my inner corners also. So I'm going to finish it off with applying kajal from Mion. So the next part is applying mascara. I'm using Maybelline Total Temptation Mascara. Now we are done with the mascara and now it's time for eyebrows. I'm using brow definer from Sugar in the shade 01 Jerry Brown. We are done with the eyebrows, you can see. I don't use a blush, I just use from the eyeshadow palette the lightest red or pink I get. So I'm using this pink color. Now I'll set my makeup by using a makeup fixer from Swiss Beauty. Now we'll take the same beauty blender and just dab it. For the highlighter, I'm using Maybelline New York Master Chrome by Face Studio in the shade Molten Gold. For the final touch and the last part of the makeup is lipstick. I'm using Lakme 925 in the shade Maple Map. And we are done with the lipstick, one of the favorite nudes I have, and I have made a video on that too. Link is given in the description below, so do check it out. And we are done. I'll just do my hair and come back and show it to you guys. That's it for this video. Thanks for watching, and if you like this video, don't forget to give it a big thumbs up and subscribe to my channel and comment down below how you like this video and telling me more ideas that you want to see on my channel. Bye!